Hey guys, welcome back to Lucas TV Toys. And I think this is the first time I've ever shot a video in my room. But anyways, normally I do big Lego sets like this one right over here. But every once in a while, I like to shoot videos with my little brother David. Because he's very funny and unpredictable. So in this video, my dad gives David a surprise small Lego toy. And David's reaction is awesome. And I'm also in the video to help him build it. So make sure you watch until the end, because it gets pretty hysterical. Hey guys!
Hey David, I got a surprise Lego toy for you under your bed. Why don't you check it out? Whoa! What did you get? What did you get? What's it called? What's it called?
Lego Duplo!
Yay! Let's go and build it.
Hey guys, it's Lego TV. Lego toys. Then this is Lego Duplo. Then you can make it like this and like this and like this and like this, Ada. So this is Lego Duplo. So let's open it.
All right, Brent. Why don't you come in here and help him?
And wait a second. All right, do you want to open this? Yeah. All right, so let's get a scissor. Where's the scissor?
You need a scissor to open that? Can't you just...
Okay, let's rip it. Let's punch it. You don't punch it, David. You don't have a scissor, then you just rip it from the sides. I can open it. Okay, let's see if David can open it. I can open it now. I'm strong. Oh, look what he did. Good job, David. You're doing it. Well, I see something. I see something. Wait, we gotta rip it a little more. Uh-oh, I see something. This box is getting tortured. I'm seeing something. I see something. Whoa! Alright, we're getting everything out. I'm seeing something more. Mom! Candy bags! There we go. Instruction booklet.
All
No,
righty.
this isn't the instruction booklet. It's just promotions.
Yeah, I think you don't need instructions for this one.
Maybe for little kids they do. We do. Oh. Let's open it back and build it.
Yeah, let's see what you can build real quick.
Hey, David. You build it yourself. Let's build it. Let's see where this goes. David, do you want to copy the box or build something totally different and unique? I'm building it now. Okay, Dave built something from the box. I really like these type of pieces and that piece. Come in handy a lot. You do like candy dot. Stop saying that.
Wow, that's looking pretty good.
That's getting close. Not exactly, but good enough. Gift for David. Yay!
That looks like a bird.
There we go.
Now, Brent, now David, let Brent have a try at it.
All right. Okay. Okay, Brent, you can build this one. I want to build something totally different. Oh,
Is anyone gonna build the picture on the box?
Okay, let's see here. David, wait, I'm gonna build that. Look, you see? There we go.
Wow, now we got a parrot. Just
Wait,
like
Dave,
that.
I'm gonna build one more thing. I think I'm gonna build a duck. See if I can build a duck from this.
David, what do you like better? The Lego Duplo like these or the Lego Brent has?
Lego Duplo.
Wow, you like the big Lego blocks, huh?
Making a weird duck. I can make a weird duck. It's not so hard. Oh, that doesn't look like a duck. Yeah, it does. That's like a duck. It's a duck! That's a duck? Yeah, I can make it like that. There we go. No, then we Then we put it there.
That's pretty good, David. Wow, what is it that you're making?
Duck.
Is that a duck?
Oh, wait a second, David, that just gave me an idea. I can make a duck now. Wait, David, don't take it apart. No, I can make a duck now. I'm showing something.
What kind of a duck was that?
Let me show you something. Wait, David, wait, I can make a duck. I can make a duck.
What? I was so
I can make a duck. David, look, so
right,
I got
take-
his
take
feet.
turns
show
now.
you something. I can show you something.
You're so big.
Watch this.
Right, David.
For you.
Oh, look, they actually show a duck on there.
They
But
do?
not that you can make from a different set.
Oh, a different set down here.
Give me that box.
Give me that. That's not nice.
Okay, sorry. That box, please.
Yes. I can't see what you're building, David, if you don't have the box on the side. Is that it? That looks cute. What is that?
I have no idea. Some sort of bird.
It's food that eat.
All right, well, we can be doing this all day long. You wanna say goodbye and wrap it up, David?
Yeah, goodbye.
David!
A little more than that?
David, can you say something else besides goodbye? David, look at the camera.
Goodbye.
David, say don't forget to subscribe.
It's not good money to get a button. Goodbye.
What?
Wait, what?
Well, Brent, you do it.
Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more great videos, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Hey guys, here are some of my other videos, and I know you're gonna love them, so go ahead and watch them.